Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how you can save frame as image in Adobe Premiere. So it's really pretty easy. Let's say that you have a game or some good footage that you would like to have a screenshot on. All you want to do is, let's find some good. I don't know, let's find something. Like this, looking on a chair. Now you want to click export frame, format. I would choose PNG or JPEG, it's up to you, but I choose for thumbnails. It's really good on YouTube. If you want to use it on YouTube, choose JPEG because it's a lower size, and PNG they don't want to take it that much if it's a really hardcore quality because it got a lot of megabytes. And you can also path where you want to choose it, and okay, and now you got it. So that's how you save the frame. And also let's browse desktop, select folder. Okay, and let's go on our desktop and let's find it so we can see it with our own eyes. Here it goes. Yep, and you got it. The quality is quite good. And also, if you're gonna use it on thumbnail on YouTube, don't forget to resize it to 1080 to 720. That's the best resolution for YouTube. Thank you very much, everybody. See ya later, alligator.